Hi, I'm Kate, here with Zora Outdoor on behalf of expertvillage.com, talking to you about hiking and backpacking. Qualities for a good beginner hike have several things. It could be a nice flat trail that you're going to be walking on, not a lot of rocks, not a lot of difficult terrain. The trail marker could even say easiest, like this one does. There should be really good views, and you might not want a lot of mileage for the day. I like to do an easy hike of like 2 to 3 miles just to kind of get my legs warmed up and to, have an enjoying afternoon. Having a picnic lunch would be ideal, but you want something that's nice and easy on your legs, on your knees, not something that you're going to have to be rushing to get back before it gets too dark, and something you're going to enjoy. This trail right here looks like a pretty good beginner hike to me. Make sure you follow the trail signs and blazes to get back home safely.